Hi everyone, welcome to this video. In this, we are going to discuss on auto capture feature of Dynamics 365 Sales Insights. Basically, auto capture in Dynamics 365 Sales will help the sales professionals by simplifying the logging of customer related activities into the system. It provides activity suggestions for emails and appointments related to your work based on the data captured from your Outlook account. Okay. And these are all the different features available within auto capture: activity suggestions, timeline display, and tracking. Activity suggestions. So here, the auto capture provides suggestions for up to 50 recent emails and meetings from the last 3 days in your Outlook account that are related to the primary contact for the leads, opportunity, or any other sales records in Dynamics 365. And then timeline display. Here, the captured activities are initially shown on the timeline in D365 sales. So we have the timeline control in all the forms where these suggestions will be displayed. And initially, these suggestions are private and visible only to you. Okay. And then you can choose to track these emails and meetings so that the activities will be visible for other colleagues as well. Okay. And in the right hand side, we have the benefits of this feature. By automatically capturing the relevant emails and meetings, the sales representatives can save time on manual entry of all these activities. And then having all the customer interactions displayed on the timeline helps the sales team and the sales people stay organized and ensures that no important communication is missed. And when the emails and meetings are tracked, they become visible to the entire team so that the collaboration and communication will be improved between the colleagues as well as between the salespeople and the customers. With this, we will quickly move to the application and see how this auto capture works and how to enable this feature in Dynamics 365. Now I'm in Dynamics 365 Sales Hub application. To enable this auto capture feature, we need to go to Sales Insight settings, and within Sales Insight settings, we have the option called auto capture, and from here we need to enable this feature. Okay, but one thing we need to consider is before enabling this feature, we need to have this Exchange Online server side sync, and the email address of every sales users needs to be approved and enabled. Only if these two things are done, the auto capture will work effectively. Okay, now the auto capture feature is enabled and the prerequisites are made. And here I am in my contact record, Alex Baker. Currently, I'm not seeing any activities under timeline. Okay, for testing this feature, I will just open another login for customer, and from here I will send an email to my D365 account. Now I will send this email. Yeah, the email the customer has sent is now received in my Outlook. Now I will go to my contact record and I will refresh and see if the auto capture feature is showing some suggestion. Yeah, here now you can see there is one untracked email. The same email subject and email body is also displayed here. Now, as a sales user, if I want to see this particular email, I can click on this icon so that it will automatically open the Outlook inbox and it will show the email that is received from the customer. And currently, this particular suggestion is only shown to the person who received this email. So it is in my email account, and I only will be seeing this suggestion in my Dynamics 365. In case if I want to track this email activity in Dynamics 365, I just need to click on this button, track. Once I click on this track button, a new email activity will be created inside Dynamics 365. And this particular feature is not only for email, it will also track the appointments as well. And another interesting thing here is it will capture both incoming and outgoing things. So it will capture the incoming emails as well as outgoing emails. Similarly, it will capture incoming appointments as well as outgoing appointments also. And now you can see the status is changed to tracking pending email. And if we wait for some more time, the record will be completely tracked and a new email activity will be created inside Dynamics 365. And before testing this auto capture, we need to ensure that the email tracking is disabled. So from the personal settings, we need to go to this email and we need to set no email messages in this tracking. Because if we have this enabled, then even without this auto capture feature itself, all the incoming emails will be tracked inside Dynamics 365. Okay. So for this environment, I have already set this tracking as no, and then I enable this tracking auto capture feature, and I can see the untracked things. The difference between these two options is here in this email tracking, automatically a email activity will be created, but in auto capture, only the suggestion will be shown to you, and it is the responsibility of the salesperson to convert it to a real activity record in Dynamics 365. I hope this video helps you in understanding the concept of auto capture. Thank you for watching.